Come spend the day exploring York with us.
Good afternoon everyone. Guess where I am today? I am in York, and guess who I'm with? Leanne.
Hi.
So Leanne's come all the way from South Yorkshire to accompany me on my little journey. Let's go. So we're about to catch the hop on hop off. Is it hop on hop off? No, it's the park and ride. So we're on the hop on hop off. This reminds me of my not again. So yeah, park and ride for the third time. It's £4 return ticket, individual for adults. Not sure about kids. I'll get you to look that up. I feel like I'm reliving my youth on the bus here, you know?
It reminds me of being back at school. It's the only time we ever got a bus.
That's right, innit? Maybe we should go to the back and play some music.
I thought you were going to say swear.
Oh, bloody hell. So we've just been dropped outside the rail station. Now we're going to walk our way up. Let's see how much of this historic city we can explore on foot. So in front of me is the walls. I didn't realise the walls surround the city. They're quite well preserved. So me and my Yorkshire tour guide are just walking up now. Let me show you the walls that surround the city. Leanne, give us a bit of history, please.
So this wall was actually erected in 1584. It was to keep all out.
The hell? There's the wall on a more serious note. You can see it going all the way down there. You got a memorial here as well. I've just been told by my tour guide I can walk up the walls, so let's see.
I can't, no.
Why? She's referring herself to that, I don't know why, but you know. York walls in bloom. Leanne's just looking up some facts so she can educate us all with actual factual information.
3.4 kilometres and are the longest medieval town walls in England.
That's fascinating. So it's quite a long stretch, right?
And you know when I said they date back to 16, whatever I said?
No, you said 15.
Oh, well they actually date back to 71 AD.
Wow, so they're nearly as old as you said. Check this out, look how far they span down. So what are we doing, Leanne? We're walking the whole 3K?
Yeah.
Really?
I don't know, I don't mind.
Let's walk some of it and then we'll explore around, guys. So you can see York Station just across from there as well. I mean, were there arches here before or what? So what's this part we're headed towards now? It looks like a gate or something.
Oh, look at the statue
Oh, the man,
on the top.
yeah.
Oh, there's another one.
Let's zoom in onto that. So just heading down from the walls, let's see what's at the bottom. So before I head down, you can see Micklegate down there. But first, I want to see where this leads. Oh, and Leanne's pointed something out, dodgy woman. Trust Leanne to point out the most dodgiest of things. Is this a bar?
Micklegate Bar is one of our 4 main gateways bars through the ancient city walls. It's regarded as most important of the 4 as it is the royal entrance to the city. It is here where visiting monarchs traditionally arrive and are greeted by the Lord Mayor and the sword bearer before entering the city.
It says back in 15 minutes.
The place where the severed heads of traitors to the crown will be displayed.
Traitor. So should we keep walking or should we go down to Micklegate Bar and then we can see the gate at the front, I think, right?
Yeah, let's do that.
Right, let's do that. So I've just discovered that is Micklegate Bar behind me, the entrance to it. Bit of history for you guys. So let's have a little walk down. Cheer up, mate. Look at that old building there. That's crazy. So these ones, right?
Oh no, these are replicas. The original
they're
in
replica.
church.
Okay. So there's a church. And I didn't realise, but at Micklegate they used to have severed heads as well to scare people off. That's crazy, man. Ring for peace. Let's go inside. It looks really pretty inside, right?
Is that confessional?
I think so, yeah. So these are the original, right?
Yeah.
Is that like dressing the door?
It's
It's interesting to see the original
original stock.
Yeah. Very pretty inside, very old school. So we're just walking down now, and there's some like really nice cobbled streets, right? Yeah, they don't make them like this, right? Definitely pop into your Oxfam bookstore if you are around. Support charities.
Lovely.
Gonna head towards York Minster, York Minster now? Yeah?
Minster.
Yeah, Minster. Minister. I said Minister, right? Such a donut. You can still see the walls surrounding the city right in front of me. Let me show you guys. Right over there, just in front. Wowee, look at this cool bridge we're going up.
That's the Minster.
Yeah, right over there, right? Oh, nice.
Followers.
What, you're going to jump in to get me some more content and followers? Is that what you're saying? Looks nice around here, isn't it? Look at all these old buildings, isn't it? Looks Roman style. Leanne, would you give us some facts about York Minster, please, now that I'm saying it properly, please?
So York Minster was actually erected in...
What's with you and erections? Tell you one thing, it's absolutely massive, especially as I'm standing right next to it. So that's York Minster behind me, and Leanne's saying she's found Paddington, so let's take a look. Oh, that's Paddington there. Leanne, you've still not given us some facts about York Minster.
You put me off.
Did I?
She couldn't be adult enough and accept the word erected.
Freaking hell.
So York Minster was built in the year of 1487. It actually, they built it with stone bricks. And an interesting fact, they actually used 12,087,009 stone bricks.
Really? Is she telling the truth, guys? I don't know. I'm relying on her for facts. Just let me know.
The very first person to actually visit the Minster was Jesus Christ himself.
Okay, now we know she's chatting it, guys. All right. I think I'll do a bit of Googling. So I'll give you a bit of facts. It was built around the 1200s, and in 1472 it was completed, and I believe it took around about 250 years in total. It's home to the Great East Window, and it's one of the largest stained glasses. Leanne is so childish. I said it's so nice and massive, and she just had to giggle. I mean, I'm talking about the York Minster. Look at these quirky small houses just surrounding. Let's see if we can take the drone up. I spoke to a nice police lady who said I can go further down and launch my drone.
Oh, these buildings are beautiful.
Yeah, they're like really old school, right? Do you know, it kind of reminds me of Stratford-upon-Avon, where you've got these old timber frame buildings mixed with modern shops. Just come across a really quirky shop. Apparently Leanne's saying it's quite famous. Just arrived now at the Shambles. Let me show you guys around. It looks nice. Reminds me a bit of Harry Potter. There's a massive queue for this Shambles sausage and pie company. Look who I found in the Shambles.
Look, potions and cauldron.
I don't know. What is this, from Harry Potter or something? Looks like they even named a dessert place after me. Leanne just took me into a witchcraft shop. Just finished walking down the Shambles. Apparently some of the streets are 1,000 years old, or over 1,000 years old, and it used to be full of butcher shops back in the days. Interesting facts for you. Do you know when you finish in the Shambles, guess what there is opposite? Greg's. You know, when you're back in England, you have to go to Greg's and have a cheese and onion pasty. Look at that. Nice. I miss you, Greg's. So Leanne wants to take me now to Whip-Ma-Whop-Ma-Gate or something like that. I think I said that correctly. What was it?
Whip-Ma-Whop-Ma-Gate.
Okay. I thought she was going to take me down a proper street. Instead, she took me to a street sign. Apparently, that's England's most haunted inn. You tell me, have you been there? Yeah, I think you can fit that in the bin, yeah, why not? We've stumbled upon a market, so let's have a little walk around there. I can smell them fresh donuts, man, it's so nice.
Loads of children.
You can't beat the smell of fresh donuts. Look at all these funky umbrellas right above us. I'm finding York quite a quirky city, Leanne. How about you?
Yeah, it's very quick.
Certainly is.
Unusual sort of one-off shops here, isn't there?
Yeah. Why are you taking me down this dodgy alley for? We've reached York Castle, or I think some part of it, but we're in the car park. I've just been informed, I don't know, by some Leanne facts. Leanne, tell me what you just said.
This is the entirety of York Castle. There is no more to it.
You know, guys, I don't know if I believe her, so just tell me, is it true? But I'll Google it myself as well. I can't believe it's literally just that. Looks like Roblox. You know what? This is Clifford's Tower, not York Castle.
I'm doing my best, okay?
Okay. I don't know why I brought her along, but you know. Let's go up the steps to Clifford's Tower, according to Leanne, York Castle. It's quite a nice view up here. I tried to open the door, but it's closed. Don't know why, but I saw people coming out. Now I've got Leanne thinking she's some kind of model. Now we've finished at Clifford's Tower, so we're going to head towards River Ouse or Ouse? Ouse, okay, Ouse. Are you sure that's how it's pronounced?
I don't know. I'm just figuring out and making it up.
Okay, alright, fine. I mean, she's meant to be the English woman here. Okay. The bridge behind me goes over the River Ouse. So the river behind me runs through the city centre. It played a big role in trade, transport, and a few other things that I can't remember, so I'll let you Google that. There's several bridges I've seen in the city centre that cross over to different parts of the city. Guys, that's it from me on this journey in York. Bye from Leanne. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and support my journey. I've got plenty more adventures to come. Bye for now.
Bye.